Boom! Welcome back. Stereo, can you help me? Help me with your friends. Can you help me? I'm still needing 13K to reach my quota. Can you at least, bawas-bawas? Mm. Mm-mm. Oo, doon sa malapit sa Coffee Benny. Bakit po? Wala, baka gusto mo lang akong gawing host. Mimi! Stereo, can you give me summer? My face is so makapal. I'm struggling. I, oh, you don't understand what I'm trying to say. What I'm saying or what I'm trying to say is that can you help me to reach my quota? And right now, I'm still needing 13K. But, oh no. No! Oo, malapit lang ako. The home site. Secret. Baka bigla sabihin mo, sige nga, susuportahan kita, sabihin niya. Mag-meet up tayo. Uy, pero ang galing mo ha. Importante, magkalapit lang tayo. Yun na yun. Magkalapit tayo. MC, pero ang lapit no. Solid. Stereo, don't make love. I'm still pleasing you. Mm-mm. Stereo, please. Only one. Superman. Superman. Superman, please. Sobrang lapit lang talaga, Empoy, as in. Swerte mo ha, naabutan mo pa ako. Iceman. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Empoy, pingi akong Empoy, pingi ako summer. Bakit walang ko na talaga yung mukha ko? Iceman, hello. Baby bear. Pag-iipon. Pag-iipunan mo? Pag-iipunan mo? Yun ba yun or nag-iipon ka? RJ, Stereo, I'm being serious. Please. Pag-iipunan or nag-iipon ka? One or two? Nag-iipon? Ay, pag-iipunan mo ako or mag-iipon ka sa ibang bagay?